Understanding the Math Community, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, math community. This term might be new to some of you, so we'll break it down and understand its significance in both educational and professional contexts. Stay tuned to learn more. The term, math community, refers to a group of people who share a common interest in mathematics. This includes students, teachers, researchers, and professionals who work in fields related to mathematics. It's a broad term that encompasses anyone engaged in learning, teaching, discussing, or applying mathematical concepts and theories. In educational settings, the math community plays a crucial role. It provides a supportive environment where learners can explore mathematical ideas, ask questions, and develop a deeper understanding of the subject. Teachers and fellow students are key members of this community, offering guidance, support, and motivation. In a professional context, the math community includes mathematicians, engineers, scientists, and other professionals who use mathematics in their work. This community is vital for sharing knowledge, collaborating on research, and solving complex problems. Conferences, journals, and online forums are common platforms where this community interacts. With the advancement of technology, the math community has expanded globally. Online platforms, social media groups, and virtual conferences have made it easier for people from different parts of the world to connect, share ideas, and collaborate on mathematical projects. This global perspective enriches the community by bringing diverse viewpoints and approaches to mathematics. Becoming a part of the math community can be incredibly rewarding. You can join by participating in math classes, forums, or clubs. Contributing could be as simple as asking questions, sharing your own understanding, or helping others with their math problems. Remember, everyone has something valuable to offer. We hope this video has shed light on what the math community is and why it's an important term in both academic and professional worlds. Whether you're a student just starting out in math or a professional in the field, being part of this community can be a fulfilling and enriching experience. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future.